Have you ever wondered how giant construction projects are built, or how soil and heavy materials are moved as if effortlessly? Let's dive into the fascinating world of heavy equipment that makes all this possible. Welcome to our channel, where you'll embark on a journey to explore the giant machines playing a crucial role in construction and mining. From excavators with their incredible capacity to dig up the earth, to cranes lifting heavy loads with ease, we'll uncover how technology and innovation have revolutionized modern construction. Get ready to be amazed by the strength and incredible capabilities of this heavy machinery. Take the excavator, for instance. You're probably already familiar with this piece of heavy equipment. Just by looking at its bucket, you know its job is to dig and excavate soil. It moves on large metal wheels, similar to those on a tank, designed to easily navigate muddy and slippery terrains. Not only does it move on metal wheels, but its size also varies depending on the needs of the terrain. Take the hydraulic shovel excavator, for example, which can scoop up to 61 tons of material in one go. This beast is categorized under mining equipment for use in large-scale mining operations. When it comes to leveling materials, the grader is another game changer. Its main function is to smooth, strip, or spread soil quickly. This equipment uses a blade that can stretch from 8.2 to 24 feet in length, typically used to level large areas or prepare the ground for road construction. Unlike the excavator, graders move on bias ply tires to navigate the terrain. Why not metal wheels? Well, to ensure the freshly leveled ground doesn't end up with tire track textures. Plus, graders aren't typically used in challenging terrains. And yes, this equipment comes with a hefty price tag, around $76,400 USD per unit. But that's nothing compared to the cost of a crane, which can be around $203,796 USD, almost 3 times the price of a grader. Perhaps it's due to its size and function. Cranes are essential for lifting anything needed in construction. The heavy-duty cranes can lift up to 9,000 tons, showcasing their incredible strength. So, there you have it. A sneak peek into the powerful and awe-inspiring world of heavy machinery that shapes our built environment. Stay tuned for more exciting insights into these engineering marvels. Moreover, a fantastic feature of cranes is their ability to rotate 360 degrees, allowing them to turn around without any restrictions. And let's not forget the variety, including tower cranes, mobile cranes, crawler cranes, hydraulic cranes, and floating cranes. So you can choose the perfect crane to meet your specific needs. Now for drilling, there's something called a bore pile. This equipment is crucial for drilling into the earth at depths specified by the user, often used for constructing foundations in building projects. Especially for buildings with dozens of floors, a strong foundation is non-negotiable to prevent collapse. Using a bore pile can significantly speed up the process, especially since the diameter of the holes it creates ranges from 11.8 to 31.5 inches. Imagine trying to dig that by hand over days, especially in hard soil. It's just more practical to rent or buy a bore pile, and if you're buying, it's only about $63,500 USD to start drilling your foundation. Once you've drilled, you'll likely use a diesel hammer. This heavy equipment is used to drive piles into the ground, often for earth pins. Imagine trying to manually hammer concrete piles of that size. It would take forever, literally. The diesel hammer works with steam engine assistance to move its hammer, delivering 40 to 50 strikes per minute. If someone's using this machinery nearby, forget about sleeping. Not only is it loud, but the vibrations it produces are quite substantial. But if we talk about scrapers, they won't disturb your sleep. Their job is to scrape, transport, and spread material, so they don't produce disruptive sounds or vibrations. Looking at their functionality, you could say they offer a 3-in-1 advantage. In one piece of heavy equipment, you've got an excavator, a haul truck, and a grader all rolled into one. This makes it more cost-effective since you don't need to rent 3 separate pieces of equipment. Plus, with the capability to haul material up to 0.3 to 1.24 miles away, it's quite efficient. There are 2 types, toad scraper and motor scraper, depending on what your project needs. If you're considering this for your project, be prepared to spend around $159,000 USD. Indeed, the cost reflects the functionality, especially when you compare it with a roller, priced around $141.9 USD, whose sole purpose is to smooth and compact the soil surface. This piece of heavy equipment, frequently seen in house construction, road making, or land expansion, owes its effectiveness to its massive and heavy rollers, weighing between 8 to 14 tons. This ensures that even the softest and roughest terrain becomes neatly compacted and smooth. There are various types of rollers, including tamping rollers, modified tamping rollers, smooth wheel rollers, pneumatic tired rollers, and vibrating compactors. It's fascinating to note the variety within these categories. Compared to bulldozers, which essentially come in one type but with various blades like the universal blade, angling blade, and straight blade, each designed for moving or leveling soil piles. Before a roller passes over, a bulldozer usually levels the mounded soil in house construction projects. Imagine trying to do this manually. How many energy drinks would that take? If you're interested in purchasing one of these mighty machines, it would set you back about $59,800,000 USD. And then there's the Caterpillar dump truck, with a staggering price tag of $3 million, or approximately $2,800,000 USD. The size alone justifies the cost. As its name suggests, this truck is designed to transport or load a large amount of material. But it's not limited to just materials. It can also transport large-sized goods. This truck can carry 20 cubic meters, with an average weight of 100 tons per load. The types include rear dump, side dump, bottom dump, on-highway, and off-highway trucks. But if we're talking about sheer size, nothing compares to the bucket wheel excavator. It's designed for excavating and moving excavated material, towering at a height of 95 meters, length of 220 meters, and weighing 45,900 tons. Primarily used in mining, the price tag of this behemoth is enough to make your heart skip a beat, estimated at $100 billion, or about $63 billion USD. The sheer diversity and capabilities of these machines are mind-boggling, each playing a crucial role in their respective fields, from construction to mining. Their power and efficiency revolutionize how we build and excavate, pushing the boundaries of what's possible.